Hi everybody, I'm going to do a quick science experiment on the effect of salt on the freezing point of water. The concept of this is a science concept, freezing point depression. So when substances like salt are added to water, they lower its freezing point. This concept is used in the real world applications like salting icy roads, like what we do here in Nebraska. So let's get started. With that, we need, I'll have you answer some pre-experiment questions. Those will be on the board. But then here's the materials that we need. I'm going to turn. Okay, so we need 3 cups. We need one for no salt, one for 1 teaspoon of salt, and one for 2 teaspoons of salt. We also need a water pitcher. We need salt, a marker to mark which ones are which, a straw to do stirring with, and then our 1 teaspoon that we'll do for this, and then we'll add 2 to this one. Okay, let's get started. To start, we're going to pour water in, and we're going to go to the bottom of the flour. And 2 teaspoons, we're just going to kind of judge it. I think those all look about good. All right. So now the no salt one, it is done. I will set it kind of to the side. The 1 teaspoon, I got my 1 teaspoon here, and we're going to pour the salt into it. Okay. Gonna make it good. And then we're going to dump that into our one. Let's do the 2 teaspoons. Perfect. There's 1 of the 2. So 1 of 2 into the 2. We'll do the 2 now. This is the second one. And then 2. Okay, we'll give these a little stir. Stir the 1. Okay. All right. I'm going to go put these in the freezer for 15 minutes. We'll check it, and then we'll check it again at 30 minutes and see how long we actually have to do it. I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, here we are at my freezer. We're just going to set these in here. Let's put that one real quick. Sorry. Okay, there we go. They're all in here. We'll do about 15 minutes. I'll have Alexa set my timer for 15 minutes. And then we'll check back. That is one material that you will need as a timer, like a stopwatch or an Alexa or something, or somebody keeping kind of a tab on the clock. All right, thanks guys. Okay, I'm back. So I let these be in there for about 45 minutes, checked on them every 15, just to see how they were coming out. As you can see, this one is solid ice. Now there is still some water kind of in the bottom, floating. You can kind of see the water there. But, so this one was the no salt. Okay. This one was the 1 teaspoon. And if we look in there, you can kind of, I can get a hole through. Kind of. Yeah, you can see where you can get through how the ice, it kind of, there's still some water left on top. It's more, what do I want to say, like slushy, kind of like a frozen slush instead of a solid ice, kind of like how our roads would be when they salt our roads. Okay, now here's the 2 teaspoon. And this one is about kind of the same, but I couldn't get a hole through this one. But you can see the water is still, oh, there we go. Oh, see, now I clump those. So once you get it through on the 2 teaspoon, it really gets going. See, there's all my water down below. It's all slushy on top. Yeah. So the 1 teaspoon. The 1 teaspoon is a little more solid, but can be broken up. My 2, oh, see, there you go. Yep, see, 2 makes it into a slushy. It's way easier to get. It doesn't stay frozen as much. Now my 1, it's just pretty. I know there is some water down there, but he's pretty frozen. I wasn't getting through to him. So there's my observations. Yeah, it's kind of a fun little experiment that I did. Thanks. Bye.